8 hypercars that pushed engineering to the limit. Speed, power, engineering pushed to the absolute limit. These machines aren't just fast, they represent the most extreme technology ever placed into road-legal cars. From Bugatti breaking the 300 miles per hour barrier to Rimac proving electric cars can dominate hypercar performance. Today we're exploring 8 hypercars that redefined what automotive engineering is capable of. 8. Bugatti Chiron Supersport 300 Plus. Shattering expectations of what a road-legal car could achieve, the Bugatti Chiron Supersport 300 Plus was created with one clear objective: push beyond the once unimaginable 300-mile-per-hour barrier. Built as an evolution of the already powerful Chiron platform, this machine represented the absolute edge of modern hypercar engineering. Hidden beneath its long carbon fiber body sits Bugatti's legendary 8-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine, producing a staggering 1,578 horsepower and 1,180 pound-feet of torque. This enormous power output is delivered through a sophisticated 7-speed dual-clutch transmission and an advanced all-wheel drive system, allowing the car to transfer extreme power to the road with remarkable stability. Despite weighing around 4,400 pounds, the Chiron Supersport 300 Plus accelerates with explosive force. It can launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in roughly 2.3 seconds, a level of acceleration that rivals many race cars. Inside the cockpit, luxury still plays a major role. Premium materials, minimalist displays, and meticulous craftsmanship remind drivers that this is both a technological masterpiece and a work of automotive art. Rather than chasing records for publicity alone, the Chiron Supersport 300 Plus demonstrated just how far automotive performance could be pushed when engineering ambition meets unlimited resources. 7. Koenigsegg Jesko Absolute. Designed with one singular purpose, the Koenigsegg Jesko Absolute represents the Swedish manufacturer's ultimate pursuit of speed. Unlike the track-focused Jesko Attack, this version was engineered specifically to achieve the highest top speed Koenigsegg has ever attempted with a production car. At the heart of the Jesko Absolute lies a 5-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, delivering 1,280 horsepower and 1,106 pound-feet of torque on regular fuel. Even with its extreme engineering, the hypercar maintains a relatively low weight of about 3,130 pounds, thanks to an advanced carbon fiber monocoque chassis and lightweight components throughout the structure. This impressive power-to-weight ratio allows the Jesko Absolute to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 2.5 seconds. Inside, the cabin mixes cutting-edge technology with handcrafted materials, creating an environment that feels both futuristic and exclusive. Instead of focusing on cornering dominance, the Jesko Absolute was engineered to chase a different goal entirely, becoming one of the fastest machines ever capable of wearing a license plate. What happens when engineers stop caring about limits and start chasing the impossible? 6. Aston Martin Valkyrie. Blurring the line between Formula One engineering and a road-legal hypercar, the Aston Martin Valkyrie was built to deliver an experience closer to a race machine than a traditional supercar. Developed with the expertise of Red Bull Racing and legendary designer Adrian Newey, the Valkyrie represents one of the most extreme automotive projects ever attempted. At the center of this hypercar sits a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine developed by Cosworth, producing 1,000 horsepower and about 546 pound-feet of torque on its own. The Valkyrie's lightweight construction is just as impressive as its power. Built around an ultra-rigid carbon fiber structure, the car weighs roughly 2,270 pounds, making it incredibly light for a hybrid hypercar. Thanks to this remarkable power-to-weight ratio, the Valkyrie can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 2.5 seconds, producing levels of acceleration usually reserved for track-only machines. Aerodynamics play a huge role in the Valkyrie's performance. Massive Venturi tunnels beneath the body create extraordinary downforce, allowing the car to remain glued to the road even at extremely high speeds. The Valkyrie isn't simply another fast car, it's Aston Martin's bold attempt to bring Formula One technology directly onto public roads. If you enjoy insane hypercars like these, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more. 5. Mercedes-AMG 1. Born directly from Formula One technology, the Mercedes-AMG 1 represents one of the most ambitious road car projects ever attempted by Mercedes. Instead of adapting racing ideas for the street, AMG engineers essentially placed a real Formula One hybrid powertrain into a road-legal hypercar. At the center of the machine sits a 1.6-liter turbocharged V6 hybrid engine derived from Mercedes' championship-winning F1 cars. This engine works together with 4 electric motors, creating a combined output of about 1,063 horsepower and roughly 737 pound-feet of torque. Despite the complex hybrid technology, the AMG 1 maintains a relatively low weight of around 3,700 pounds, thanks to its carbon fiber monocoque chassis and lightweight racing components. With this immense power and cutting-edge drivetrain, the hypercar can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 2.9 seconds. Inside, the cockpit feels closer to a race car than a luxury vehicle, with a Formula-style steering wheel, minimalistic controls, and a seating position designed for performance driving. Rather than chasing traditional supercar formulas, the AMG 1 stands as a rare example of a true Formula One power unit successfully adapted for the road. 4. Rimac Nevera. Unlike traditional hypercars that rely on massive combustion engines, the Rimac Nevera was built around a completely different idea: extreme performance powered entirely by electricity. Developed by the Croatian company Rimac Automobili, this machine quickly became one of the most technologically advanced cars ever created. The Nevera uses 4 independent electric motors, each driving one wheel. Combined, they produce an astonishing 1,914 horsepower and 1,741 pound-feet of torque. This setup allows the car to use an advanced all-wheel drive torque vectoring system, constantly adjusting power between the wheels to maximize traction and stability. Even with its large battery system, the Nevera weighs about 5,100 pounds. Thanks to the instant torque delivered by its electric motors, the car can explode from 0 to 60 miles per hour in only 1.9 seconds, making it one of the fastest accelerating production vehicles ever built. Inside, the cabin blends high technology with luxury craftsmanship. Digital displays, premium materials, and a modern driver interface give the car a futuristic atmosphere. The Nevera didn't just enter the hypercar world quietly. It arrived with record-breaking acceleration and cutting-edge technology, instantly placing Rimac among the most serious performance manufacturers on the planet. 3. McLaren Speedtail. With a design focused purely on speed, the McLaren Speedtail stands as one of the most aerodynamically refined cars ever produced by the British manufacturer. Unlike traditional hypercars that emphasize aggressive wings and massive downforce, the Speedtail was engineered to slice through the air as smoothly as possible. At the heart of this futuristic machine is a 4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 hybrid powertrain, delivering a combined output of 1,036 horsepower and about 848 pound-feet of torque. This powerful system works through a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, sending power directly to the rear wheels while the electric motor fills any gaps in acceleration. Thanks to extensive use of carbon fiber and lightweight engineering, the Speedtail weighs around 3,300 pounds. With that power-to-weight ratio, the hypercar can surge from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 2.5 seconds, delivering relentless acceleration as the speed climbs higher and higher. Aerodynamics play a massive role in the Speedtail's performance. Its long teardrop shape, smooth body panels, and active rear ailerons reduce drag dramatically, allowing the car to reach a breathtaking top speed of 250 miles per hour, making it the fastest road car McLaren has ever produced. Inside, the cockpit features an unusual 3-seat layout, placing the driver in the center with 2 passenger seats slightly behind on each side. Instead of chasing lap records, the Speedtail was built for something different. Pure high-speed performance, turning every straight road into a runway where the car can truly stretch its legs. Today we're looking at 8 hypercars that pushed automotive engineering to the absolute edge. Tell us in the comments which hypercar you would choose to drive. 2. Hennessy Venom F5. In the world of extreme hypercars, the Hennessy Venom F5 was built with one bold mission: to become one of the fastest production cars ever created. Developed by the American performance company Hennessy Special Vehicles, the car was engineered from the ground up to push the limits of speed and power. At its core lies a monstrous 6.6-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, nicknamed Fury. This powerhouse produces an incredible 1,817 horsepower and 1,193 pound-feet of torque, sending massive force to the rear wheels through a 7-speed automated manual transmission. The engine alone represents one of the most powerful internal combustion units ever installed in a road-legal car, tipping the scales at around 3,050 pounds. With that remarkable power-to-weight ratio, the car can launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in roughly 2.6 seconds, delivering brutal acceleration the moment the throttle is pressed. Inside, the cockpit mixes luxury with performance, featuring premium materials, digital displays, and a driver-focused layout inspired by aerospace design. Pushing the boundaries of modern engineering, the Venom F5 stands as Hennessy's ultimate statement, a hypercar created for one purpose: achieving extraordinary speed on the open road. 1. Gordon Murray T50. Built with a philosophy that prioritizes driver connection over sheer numbers, the Gordon Murray T50 represents one of the purest interpretations of a modern supercar. Created by legendary designer Gordon Murray, the man behind the iconic McLaren F1, this machine focuses on lightweight engineering and an unmatched driving experience. At its heart sits a 3.9-liter, naturally aspirated Cosworth V12 engine, producing 654 horsepower and 344 pound-feet of torque. The engine is paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, emphasizing driver engagement rather than automated performance. Thanks to its advanced carbon fiber structure and minimalist design philosophy, the T50 weighs only about 2,174 pounds, making it one of the lightest modern supercars ever produced. With this exceptional power-to-weight ratio, The car can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 2.8 seconds, delivering rapid acceleration while maintaining extraordinary balance. Inside, the cockpit follows the legendary center driver seating layout, placing the driver directly in the middle with two passenger seats slightly behind. Balancing raw engineering precision with a driver-focused philosophy, the T50 stands as a modern tribute to the art of building cars that prioritize feel, control, and mechanical purity above everything else. From record-breaking speed machines to Formula One-inspired road cars, these hypercars prove that the limits of engineering are constantly being pushed further. Which of these incredible machines impressed you the most? Tell us in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insane cars and engineering marvels.